In this video, we are going to look at using a custom provider, a custom arguments provider, and it's going to be very, very similar to the method, but we're going to extract this out to a class. So I'm going to steal this return statement like so. I'm going to copy that to the clipboard and come out here, and let's come in here. I'm going to do Java class. I'm just going to call it custom args provider. So very, very simple. Add that into GitHub. And now what this needs to do, it needs to implement arguments provider. See that there's two, but the one is out of assert J. We want the arguments provider with plural out of the JUnit Jupyter params package. So go ahead and do that. Now that's unhappy. I'm going to do Command N and implement methods. You can see that has gone in and it provides back that stream arguments. And if I come in this, and I'm just going to paste that code that I stole from the other one, and let's change these up a little bit. So adding in a variety of different numbers, about 44, just to give ourselves some bigger numbers that we are working with. Now we can see that we're definitely going to be getting different values out of this. So if we come back to our owner test, and I'm going to steal this guy again, shamelessly cut and paste. And we'll change what we need to. And I'm only doing that to expedite things a little bit for your viewing pleasure. And we'll call this a custom provider test. And now method source goes away. Change this first. So method source will go away. And now we're going to introduce a new annotation called argument source, like so. And this is going to take in the custom args provider class, like so. So now that is going to be referring to that, and it provides that arguments provider interface. So JUnit is looking for an implementation of arguments provider, and we're providing it that implementation, and it just gives back a stream of arguments. Again, arguments is also a JUnit API type. So now if we come back and let's go ahead and run this. And we can see that does run. And remember, we added in bigger numbers there, so we can see that we are, in fact, getting the expected values back from that custom provider.